If you're a Shopify business store owner and you're doing anywhere between $1 to $1.5 million, it's time to make the move to Shopify Plus. So we've been talking a lot about how Shopify Plus is so much better than Shopify Pro. And as a business owner doing anywhere between 1.5 and above, it doesn't make sense for you to be on Shopify Pro at that moment in time. When does it make sense for a business to use Shopify Pro?
I think that if you don't have, if you're just selling a couple of products, no options, you don't have any B2B, you don't really need to optimize the checkout, you're in a niche industry, you don't need Shopify Plus. Yeah. You don't. You're only going to need it, and as your business volume grows, how much money do you want to make? If you can increase with a one-click upsell on Shopify checkout your average order volume by 30%, you just made 30% more money. Which means if you were doing 1.5, now you're doing 2. That's a $500,000 difference. And if that functionality is available to you, that you can build it for $5,000, right? Another $24,000 for Shopify Plus. That's $29,000. If you ask me, I'll spend $29,000 to make $500,000 any day.
Absolutely.
Not to mention that I'm increasing the bottom line for the number of new client acquisitions that I'm getting, right? And this is the thing, a lot of people look at it as an expense. They say, oh, wow, man, we're doing great. I'm not gonna spend $29,000 right now. That's why in the earlier session, Joe was saying, well, we need to be able to put an ROI, a return on your investment on any functionality in the future. That's why I think Shopify Plus makes sense.
Absolutely. So I think there you have it. If you're a Shopify business store owner and you're doing anywhere between $1 to $1.5 million, it's time to make the move to Shopify Plus.